Good morning, children. Children, today we are going with another one type of reaction, which is a double displacement reaction. Children, in last lecture we discussed about displacement reaction. More reactive metal displace another less reactive metal. A single metal displaces another metal from its salt solution. Now, children, here the next one is double displacement reaction. Children, what do you mean by double displacement reaction? Both the metals, ions, non-metal exchange their places. They displace each other. Now, children, here we are having example of a displacement reaction, double displacement. Mutual exchange of ions in two different compounds. Two compounds react to form different compounds by mutual exchange of ions or atom in double displacement reaction. Children, as I told you, A plus B is equal to AB, combination reaction. AB gives A plus B, decomposition reaction. A plus BC gives AC plus B, displacement reaction. Now here AB plus CD, A and C or B and D exchange their places. AB plus CD gives AD plus CB. Children, here ions, atoms exchange their places, double displacement reaction. Children, here we are having one example of copper chloride and potassium iodide. Children, the double displacement reaction is also known as precipitation reaction. Now, what do you mean by this precipitation? Children, precipitates are insoluble substances which are formed during reaction, and the most important thing is there they settle down at the bottom because they are insoluble. So, when copper chloride react with potassium iodide, copper and potassium exchange their places. We are getting copper iodide and potassium chloride. Children, here you can see that the copper iodide it's having downward arrow. This downward arrow shows that precipitations are formed which settle down at the bottom because they are insoluble. We are getting brown insoluble substance which is known as precipitate. A double displacement reaction involves the reaction of two compounds to form two new compounds. In effect, the compounds change partner with each other. Children, here we are having a very common example which is given in your book also. Barium chloride and sodium sulfate. Children, barium chloride and sodium sulfate when react with each other, clearly you can see here in the diagram you are having white color precipitations are there. Children, in diagram you can see that in a test tube we are having barium chloride. With the help of dropper, when we are adding Na2SO4, immediately a white color precipitations are formed. This white precipitate of barium sulfate and a soluble sodium chloride. The white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed by reaction of SO4-2 and Ba+2. The other product form is sodium chloride which remain in the solution because it is soluble. Such reaction in which there is exchange of ions between reactants are called double displacement reaction. Children, one more example we are having the reaction of lead nitrate. Children, you can see here in beaker we are having potassium iodide. In conical flask we are having lead nitrate. And clearly you can see in the test tube you are having yellow color precipitations. Potassium nitrate and lead iodide are formed when lead nitrate react with potassium iodide. PbNO3 twice plus 2Ki gives 2KNO3 plus PbI2. Children, this yellow color precipitations are formed by lead iodide PbI2. So children, here we are having precipitation reaction in which a color or white or yellow or brown precipitations are formed, which is insoluble in solvent, settle down at the bottom. So children, next lecture we will discuss about redox reaction. Bye children, have a nice day.